This is going to be a video on demand. A lot of people in my personal career coaching sessions want me to tell them that what questions should they ask when they have been asked by the interviewer to ask the relevant questions. Now here I am bringing top 5 good questions in brief along with the answers which you can inquire from the interviewer, because the interviewer has to see your passion, your interest, not just for the role but even for the complete mission of the organization. So hi, I am Sunita Tang, founder, leader in making your master career coach. This is going to be a quick short video on this particular topic, but in case you want to fix up your personal appointment with us, your personal guidance session, a customized career coaching session, you can definitely write an email to us, or the best way is to approach through the WhatsApp number mentioned in the description box below, and you can book your personal private customized session with us. Yes, it is going to be a paid service, but we review your CV as well. Now here are the top 5 questions which are always good enough to showcase that how much you are interested and how much you are passionate about showcasing your interest, your alignment with the role. The number 1 question is that you inquire about the upcoming product, upcoming services in the market for the particular employer, and the question could be, sir, I would like to know that what kind of product or services you are bringing on the platform of your company website, and also in what all areas are you going to expand. Now this question is directly related to the future goals of the organization. It will help the interviewer to understand that how much you are actually aligning with the company goal of is with its existing products and services, but also with the expansion plan, with the growth in the market, and you would like to know that why they are in news. That's a very, very important question. Question number 2, how you foresee this particular role after 6 months. While you are asking this question, you are talking about the promotions, the growth, the scope of the organization, and while the interviewer is giving you all the answers, you can gauge that where this role is leading you towards your own personal or professional goal. Question number 3, you can always inquire that how your role is contributing to the mission of the organization or to the broader organizational goal. This will help you to understand, to analyze that how you are finally contributing to a bigger goal, not just with the role of your organization. Question number 4, you can understand that what kind of skills are needed in order to excel in the job which is being given to you. This will help in understanding and upgradation of your skills, your competencies. This will help you to even brush up what you already know, and this will help you to bring better outcome, better result to your job, because you will understand that what all qualities, what all skills are needed in order to accomplish the responsibility given for the complete role. Last but not the least, always inquire that what is the next step after your interview. Are there any more interviews? How the onboarding is done, what is the time duration given to join, how flexible is the company in giving you the duration to join if you are selected, what will be the further process, are there any technical more interviews, if you are done, what is the onboarding process. Just inquire this before leaving the room so that the interviewer can also gauge and can see how much you are interested in knowing the further process and how much you are aligning yourself with the complete recruitment process. That was a quick short note. Do let me know in case you have any specific queries for me to answer on my channel. Keep watching Leaders in Making.